Hi everybody, this is Mike. In this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for the support that you have shown to this channel. I have great news. Today, we have reached and passed the 1,000 subscribers milestone, and this has been because of you. Thanks to you, thanks to your support. I'm so gladly surprised because this has happened basically in 20 days. For the past 20 days, the channel has been growing, and this is crazy. I'm so glad and happy to receive this news, and looking forward to keeping on bringing more contents that you can find useful in your learning process. So muchas gracias a todas las personas por el apoyo que han mostrado al canal. Muy contento por el crecimiento que ha tenido. Casi que no lo puedo creer. Son 20 días increíbles, and hope to see you in more videos. I will keep on working on contents, and of course this encourages me to keep on bringing quality contents, quality learning contents to you. So una vez más, muchas gracias y espero verlos en próximos videos. Bye bye.